All right, we're testing out how this works here. Let's see if I can record me discussing what students need to do for the week here. So you're always going to want to start by going to the course that you're in, third hour in this case. Links to the Global Online Textbook are here. This will actually just simply take you to a website for another teacher, Mr. Piscopink, who has taken the time to upload all of our textbook sections one by one, so you can access them at that link there. Click on that, and you'll see here there's that. Going back to our Global History third hour, you're going to click on the week coming up, week of 420 to 424. That's Monday through Friday, so this is where you'll find all the work you need to do. First thing you want to do is always read the weekly assignment overview right here, which will allow you to get a chance to read through what it is that we are going to be doing this week in class. You'll see there are three main things you're going to have to do this week. You'll be reviewing the Cold War Overview PowerPoint, which I'll show you where that's at in a moment, watching the 2 Cold War Oversimplified videos, and then you're going to read and complete some questions that go with a short reading packet about the Cold War. So you'll see as I've made everything in red that you will be required to complete. So you only have one assignment to turn in by the end of the week. So it's due by 4/26 at 11:59. That's Sunday night at midnight, just about, before Monday officially begins. Suggested daily schedule should take you about 30 minutes per day to do these things. You're going to go through my PowerPoint, just review it, kind of get the information from it, try and absorb it. You'll do the videos Tuesday, part 1 and 2. Wednesday, you'll read the Cold War summary. Thursday, you'll complete the summary questions 1 through 8. And Friday, numbers 9 through 15. And that will be your assignments for the week. When you go back to the folder here, you're going to see the links to the notes, the videos, the summary reading. But then this here signifies an assignment. So when you go click on that, it's going to give you an opportunity to see the assignment. You can open them up here, and I made a note that you complete the 15 questions that go with the Cold War summary and submit them here. You can do so by typing your answers directly in here, or by copying and pasting them from another document, or by attaching them as a document or a picture, even if you print things out and handwrite it. So you're going to be submitting your work there by Sunday night. Now your screen's going to look a little bit different.